Hey! Fuck. Okay, now I need to go down somehow. Okay. Walking on the tree. Walking on the tree. Walking. Up. Walking on the tree. And little jump. Whew. That's what I'm talking about, the walking jungle. Nice. Not sure you can see it, but there is a huge spider web here. You little creature. Look, how cute is it? And that's, guys, what you've been waiting for. Lots of mud and lots of trees which want to harm you around. Only anaconda left, huge one. Look how deep it's here, huh? But we're in a jungle. It's fine to be wet. After just take a shower and that's it. But so much fun at that time. Spikes everywhere. Don't want to touch. Okay, let's continue our deep journey. That's what I'm talking about, like in a movie about the jungles. Only machete left, like.
Oh, you're gone.
So good.
Gone.
Like, look, almost like. See, barely, almost there.
Oh, yuck!
Finito, you did it. Yeah. Yep, I did it too. Yeah, I got actually water in my boots. It's fine. It's fine. Yep, we were warned. You're gonna be wet. Finito. Totally deeply, and got some spikes on my arm too. Yeah. So a little bit painful. Ouch. Ah. Fuck.
Oh my god. Like a ballerina. Oh wow.
Need to be really careful. Already got spikes in my arm. Don't wanna get some again. Yeah. Jungles. Like almost full experience. Yeah. Land! Hurrah! Land! Not really land actually. Too much more. Yeah, I caught this one. These guys, like pretty deep in my finger and my palm, but that's fine. That's okay. Kind of, also kind of experience. Walking in the jungle, I was watching, always imagining snakes on the trees, kind of poison creatures around, something else. So that would be so dangerous to walk. But so far we haven't seen any poison snakes, only big ants, so, and small one of course. I still need to be careful because you never know, still wilderness here. Crossing a little river here, but compared with compared with what we already had, it is nothing. And now we're going deep, so before it was only warm up. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Oh yes! Might as well just go for a sleep.
Just want to take my... But there is no point in this. One moment.
I'll leave it alone.
Yeah, so my camera, my jacket, and let's go deeper and deeper.
Chloe, why are you entering it now? You can come back in.
I told you, the end is a deep area.
What?
The end is deep area.
Deep area.
Yes,
Move.
deep here. Vamos para.
Oh.
Sí. ¿Por qué no?
Porque no se suelo.
Going deeper.
Oh, ridiculous.
Once you cross that branch, it's just fully deep past this, you're gonna have to swim. I've got no hands to swim. Hey, give it up, give me the bag, give me the bag.
Yeah, head on the back. It's so bad for you.
That's what I'm talking about. That's an experience in the jungle.
And do you want me to take the water bottle as well?
Okay, go there.
Oh, that's deep there.
Very deep.
A bit. That was difficult.
Experience.
Анаконда, пиранья, крокодила. Блин, но анаконда, но пиранья, блин. Но крокодила. Just need to... Is it a tree, yeah? We're kind of here on a fallen tree. Wow, trying to keep the balance and go. Just go.
Ay, ay, ay. It was a big branch.
Up, 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 up,
Yeah, now.
up, up, up.
Oh, Eagle's drowning.
Drowning? You alright?
Oh, you camera. So, give me your camera. Your camera is okay? Give me help you. You can.
I'm good. Ah, almost lost my shoes.
So, in front of you is spiky branch.
Oh yeah?
Cross under the tree, then you go there. Yeah. Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Uno más spin. Yeah, that's for mosquitoes. That's an experience. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like in the jungle. Yeah, easy walk, like that's thing I will remember forever.
Should we go underwater?
Well, our adventures are not over yet. Here there is one little obstacle. You'll see one moment. Okay, let's crawl. There are benefits to be tall, but also there are some disadvantages in that. It wasn't so bad. Could be worse actually. Yeah, you've been through worse, definitely. Some kind of bridge in the mud. But who cares already? Oh, banana! No banana. Oh, we're home. Home. See it, home. Yep. We made it. After all, it's time to... No! Uno mas, let's do it together. Ah! Okay, so I got a couple spikes on that trip, the journey. Kind of, yeah. And I asked about alcohol and a needle. And so that's what I got as a needle. Like if you can see that a little piece from the cactus. And I don't even know what is this kind of, what kind of alcohol that is, but okay, whatever. Yeah, let's do some surgery. Okay, surgery, little surgery. But that's what we have in the jungle. Kind of want full experience, be ready for full experience. Yeah, so eating popcorn, drinking coffee. Yeah. And trying to get the last splinter, which is pretty deep. I guess total about five or six them I got. Last one. Fire.
You said you're from Ukraine?
Originally, I'm from Ukraine,
Ah,
but I'm like
how long
Si-
do you live in Canada now?
16 years.
60 years.
Yeah, so I'm kind of Canadian.
Amazing.
Fire smells good. I like fire. Coffee. Coffee beans. Raw. That's so weird. Doesn't have any smell, like at all. Zero. Fresh, kind of fresh coffee beans. And after you grind it,
How hard is it?
after you cook them.
It's ready to eat and to make
Cacao.
Yep. South America, we're in Colombia, no?
Doesn't smell at all. Cacao. So this is cacao. Local made cacao. This is how they cook it, I would say. So we need about 10-15 minutes, depends on the fire, to cook the cacao. And after it's gonna start like a popcorn popping. Bum 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 bum. Oh, yep. Couple more minutes and they are ready. So after cacao is cooked, you kind of peel it. Now it has some smell, at least. So this is how Turistos helps local to make coffee and cacao. Yep. And now we have cacao. This smells like cacao, definitely. Smells yummy. Oh. Cocoa powder, 100% organic, 100% chocolate. Smells really good. Yum yum.
Sorry.
Okay, now it's time to roast coffee beans. And this is how it looks like. So it has to pop up also, or just when it's little brown, it's ready. Okay. But when we have smell,
Almost in 3 minutes and 5 minutes more.
5 minutes, yeah. So yeah, so this is local person who makes cow beans and really amazing trip to the jungle. Highly recommend. Started to feel some smell finally. Pretty fast. Yeah, this is how we do it. That's a coffee, that's a real coffee. How it's supposed to be. Not like the Tim Hortons which we have. Cool, yeah? Yeah, so coffee. Still no smell.
Later, when we put
Later,
it,
yeah? Okay. Local roasted coffee.
now you can eat.
It doesn't smell, but it has taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, taste of the coffee. 100%.
Oh my god, labor.
It's on the ground.
And
Like that.
At least you get your. Oh my god, these are like.
Like soft or like fast
so
or hard?
that's
And then
how you grind it.
easy, the next way.
And after,
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
this is how you separate it. And at the end you have this coffee beans. Doesn't smell. Still. Zero. Whew. Grinding cacao, coffee. Didn't expect it's gonna be so hard. Really. I guess I need some coffee to continue. Look at this cute creature. Huh? So little. So nice. Little tarantula. Actually, that's not so small one. Ah, yeah. Aggressive, little aggressive guy. Okay, I'll.
And chocolate.
Just 5.
Come
Come on, you
Come on.
Maybe can I try to squeeze it in?
Hang on.
So mixing cacao, passion fruit, yeah, and honey from the cane sugar and milk. And now using special tools, special rock
Well, I just took it with my
to mix the cacao. So yeah, this is how we do it. Blending cacao, milk, and honey from what?
Passion fruit.
From passion fruit. No. No, and kind of honey. Okay.
Now you taste. Good or not good?
Taste.
I need to find Eagle's YouTube channel.
Lots of sugar.
Oh yeah.
Gonna be pure sugar here, not a cacao.
Here.
So here we have coffee and water, and this is kind of, I have no idea what it is actually. After we need to just drink it, or?
Yes, that's coffee.
Okay, that's pretty strong, should be. We'll try.
It doesn't look that strong.
And the smell.
I actually don't mind it.
Just from another world, like, wow.
No, I got mine thick. I like it.
Okay, let's try
I'll do.
chocolate.
A little spoon.
This.
This yummy. Gracias, muchas gracias.
Yep. So. All right.
Natural.
Chicos, how about chocolate?
Muy bueno.
Huh?
Muy bueno.
Nice. Now coffee, no?
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy, chicos. This is one of the best coffee in the jungle, no?
And now, cheers for the trip. Amazing trip.
Oh yeah, that's great coffee.
I keep talking to me.
Okay, cheers, guys. This amazing coffee for this amazing trip.
Put some in a little bag.
I made you from scratch. Exactly. Those only for
Mm.
the ones from Peru, just like from the corner shop down there.
And the coffee which we grind right here.
We got to swim now.
Yeah. And it smells like, guys, you should smell it. Unfortunately, I cannot explain the smell. Like, that's a coffee, like pure real coffee. Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, swimming again. And just want to show you this fluffy tree. Look. Tim, Tim. This, so interesting. These berries are edible. Okay, guys, it's gonna be one more walk, night walk in the jungle. But the thing is, the camera cannot work properly in the darkness. So for now, for this day, I can say you good night. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Tomorrow is gonna be another day, another beautiful day. So stay tuned. Look at the colors. Look at these colors, huh? Oh, this place, wow. Yeah, amazing, beautiful place in the jungle. Yeah, so stay tuned, subscribe, put like, share, and let's continue on the journey with the name of life. Okay, guys, walking in the jungle at night. Already seen the scorpions. I don't know, this guide has a really kind of night vision to notice something here. And look, total darkness, like complete darkness here, except sounds, lots of sounds of the jungle. Okay, let's listen it for a moment. Okay, yeah, so let's continue the walk. Wow. Look what we found. This little creature here. Huge. Huge. And one more. I saw somewhere here, over there. Look. Wow. And we found something else.
You hear a sound there? That's toucan. They're happy now.
Go.
Super happy.
Go!
Because you are here now.
Finally, we met